Hi guys, this is Vaishnavi from Edureka and I welcome you all to this session in which I'm going to be talking about digital marketing career. So let me quickly walk you guys through the agenda for today's topic. So firstly, I'll talk about what is digital marketing. In this, I'll give you a brief introduction to what exactly is digital marketing, and then we'll take a look at the top skills that you should master in order to become a successful digital marketer. And moving ahead, we'll also take a look at the job roles and the scope in the field of digital marketing. And also, we'll take a look at the salary acquired by a digital marketer in terms of the location, that is India and the US. And finally, I'll wrap up this session by talking about the future of digital marketing. So let's begin this session. With 2 million job forecasts to be available by the beginning of 2021 only in the UK alone, and the increased use of internet, there's no better time to start building your career in the field of digital marketing. The job scope, salary, and also the demand for digital marketing is constantly growing in the recent past. So in order to keep you guys updated on the career aspect, Edureka has come up with this video on digital marketing career. So what exactly according to you is digital marketing? Let me help you guys with it. Internet having reached across 4.39 billion people across the globe, having a website to your own business organization is a must. Digital marketing is something that makes it easier for you as well as your business in order to gain more traffic and also loyal customers. So the proper definition to digital marketing would be it is a medium through which you can promote your product and services online. It is also referred to as advertising that is delivered through digital channels such as search engines, websites, social media, email, and mobile applications. Digital marketing requires a few channels through which you can portray what your business stands for. There is something called SEO, that is search engine optimization, pay per click or PPC in general, and many more. So mastering how to work with these channels, you'll be able to make a good digital marketer. This is a brief introduction to digital marketing. Next up, we'll see what are the skills that are required in order to become a successful digital marketer. So here are the top skills that are required in order to become a successful digital marketer. So the first and the major skill that you need to possess is you have to be good with the digital marketing channels like SEO, that is search engine optimization, email marketing, social media marketing, and so many other channels. So you need to be very familiar with these channels. And also you need to be good at data analytics. Data analytics refers to the techniques to analyze data and enhance productivity in order to gain business profit. So this is also a must known skill, guys. And you need to have certain knowledge of WordPress also. Say for example, if you're writing a blog, so you need to know which platform to go for and in what way you should put across your points. So WordPress plays a major role if you want to write a blog of your own. So this will also help your organization if the company is dealing with content marketing or social media marketing. Next up, you need to be good with Google Analytics. So Google Analytics is one such tool which helps analyzing the insights of your website. Now, say for example, if your company is dealing with online certification like Edureka. So Google Analytics plays a major role in shaping the business for you guys. So what this Google Analytics tool does is it gives you a proper insight of how many people are landing onto your website and what is the traffic that is generated through a particular medium. It can be a blog, a video, or any other factor. So it'll analyze the aspects of your website. And also it'll take a look at the part where you'll also see where you're losing traffic onto your website. So this particular tool plays a major role in shaping your career in the field of digital marketing. Now the next one is basic design skills. So design skills is must, guys. In order to generate a website of your own, you need to possess some design skills that will eventually help your organization. So these are the top skills that you should master in order to become a successful digital marketer. All right. So I think you guys are clear with the skills that are required. So these are not just the only skills that you should master. There are so many other skills in the market right now. But these are the evergreen skills that one should master to build a career in the field of digital marketing. And also you need to know the working of Excel, sales skills, objective thinking, creative thinking, and also ability to adapt to any kind of environment. So these are a few notable skills that you should possess to become a successful digital marketer. Now, talking about the job role and the scope in the field of digital marketing, jobs play a major role when you want to pursue a career in a specific domain. Digital marketing is one such domain where you can find evergreen job roles. So, what exactly is the scope for job in this field? Is it easy to get a job, or does it require some special skill in order to get a job? Let's have a look. So, firstly, let's take a look at the roles and responsibilities of a digital marketer. So, the first responsibility as a digital marketer is to be able to create a marketing campaign on your own. And also, this might generate leads for your organization. So, you need to be well versed with creating a marketing campaign of your own, right? The next one is assist in the formulation of strategies in order to build a long lasting digital connection with the customers. So the ultimatum is connecting with the customers, right? So you have an organization which deals with customer interaction. So the first thing you need to be focusing on is generating a good relationship between them. This plays a major role if you're wanting to build a career in digital marketing. You should also be able to plan and monitor the ongoing progress on social media platforms. Social media platforms is one such way through which you can reach your customers in just a second. So, planning and monitoring the way you can handle things on social media is very important. You need to plan accordingly to get more leads from the social media platforms. Always be actively involved in SEO. This SEO is pertained to blog writing. So SEO plays a major role if you're writing a blog. So search engine optimization is something that you will be requiring if you want to write a blog on your own for your organization. So you should be actively involved in writing blogs and creating good content. So this is more important, okay? So creating good content that will help both customers as well as the business is the main agenda for digital marketing. And analyzing the insights of your website using Google Analytics, like I mentioned, this is one of the skill set that is required. And also this is a responsibility of a digital marketer. Help maintain a good relationship with the customer. So this is what people are hired for, and this is exactly why you need to be more open to your customers. All right. And also have the ability to be more creative and up to date with the latest technology trends. So, digital marketing is a growing platform, right? Technology changes also affect the digital marketing platform, so you need to be updated with the latest trends in the market currently. The digital marketing job field is highly result driven and enhances your knowledge and creative skills. There are many digital marketing job roles, but I've noted down a few of them that will definitely help you out. So, the first one that I have on the list is the digital marketing executive. As a digital marketing executive, it is your responsibility to look into online marketing strategies for businesses. You should also be able to plan and execute marketing campaigns and maintain and supply content for a website. Okay, so this is the responsibility or the role of a digital marketing executive in a company. Now, the next one is digital marketing manager. The primary role of a digital marketing manager is to brand your product out in the digital space. You are to develop, implement, and manage marketing campaigns that promote the products and services of your own company. So, this digital marketing manager is a key to the success of your organization. Next, we have SEO executive. The primary role of an SEO executive or specialist is to rank a website page on the search engine result page. And also, they are the major factor which influence the traffic in your website. SEO sector is thriving day by day, and the SEO executive job roles are always in demand. So please start applying your resumes right away now. So the next one that I have on the list is a social media marketing expert. So social media marketing experts are responsible for combining marketing and social media management in order to enhance the company's social media presence, interaction with target audience, promoting the brand's engaging content, and expanding the opportunities for increasing the revenue. So the ultimatum is to generate revenue for your organization and also create better content for your people or customers. So this is the role of social media marketing expert. So the next one that I have is SEM. So SEM basically stands for search engine marketing. So there is a person who's dedicated towards the search engine marketing is called as a SEM specialist. So this person helps in mainly targeting the number of leads and clicks from a given marketing budget, marketing bid, keyword research analysis, and test ads campaign. So this person helps in following up things. So the next is content marketing manager. So this content marketing manager is responsible for creating valuable content and has the desired skills to market it. Managing blogs, video marketing, marketing campaigns, ebook publications, guest blogging, email communication, and so many other tasks are taken care by the content marketing manager. Me as a person also come under this content marketing team, and also we make videos or blogs corresponding to the topics that are given. So this is the role of the digital marketing manager. So these were few notable job roles under the digital marketing umbrella. Now, moving ahead to the next topic, we have pay scale in India and the US. So first, let's take a look at the salary acquired by a digital marketing manager. So this digital marketing salary might vary according to your work profile, experience, and also the major part, your talent. If you have all these three combined, you'll definitely be able to barge in the opportunity. So according to PayScale, digital marketing manager in the US makes up to $65,488. So this is the average salary acquired by digital marketing manager. And also in India, the average salary for a digital marketing manager is around 5,15,124 rupees. So this is the mean average salary, guys. Now talking about the SEO manager. So the salary is divided into the experience level. That is, first comes the manager, next comes the SEO manager, content marketing manager, social media manager, and so many others. All right. So the next on the list is SEO manager. So the average salary acquired by an SEO manager in the US is around $67,475. And also the salary acquired by an SEO manager in India is around 5 lakhs. So this is the average salary that I'm talking about, guys. Imagine about the actual salary you'll be getting. Now the next is social media manager, and do note this, guys, the stats that I'm showing you guys is from PayScale. So this might vary according to your experience level and also the location. So we're mainly focusing on India and the US. The average salary for a social media manager in the US is around $49,881. And in India, it's around 3.6 lakhs. The next on the list is content manager. In US, you can make up to $57,734, and in India, you can make up to 5.7 lakhs. So think about the better future, and content marketing is actually a booming field. Make a note of this, guys. Next, we have SEM specialist. So the average salary for an SEM specialist is around $47,186. And in India, it's around 3.6 lakhs. So this was about the salary based on the managerial level. And do note this, guys, if you want to build a career, do look for the salary aspect as well, because salary plays a major role in building your career. Now, the next that I have is, what is the future of digital marketing? Have you ever wondered what exactly can be the future of digital marketing? As digital marketing is still booming in the market, you might think the market or the trend for digital marketing would vanish in a few years. That's not true, guys. So this is where the facts lie. The future of digital marketing lies within us. So digital marketing for sure has a lot of advantages in recent days. But how would you predict the future of this field? I've dug deep about the future of digital marketing, and I've pointed out a few reasons why digital marketing will have a great future and digital marketing career will be in high demand. The first reason that I have for you guys is, with an estimated $46 billion going towards the programmatic advertising in the year 2019, it's predicted that 86% of all digital display ads will be presented via automation by the end of 2020. This shift towards the AI automation provides a more seamless, efficient, and more accurate approach to paid media while drastically lowering the customer acquisition costs. Digital marketing field has evolving market roles. So the digital transformation is no longer limited to the CIO or the Chief Information Officer. Digital marketing for sure has a high engagement ratio, so the conversion rate is also pretty high. And also by the end of 2020, 50% of Global 2000 will see most of their businesses depending on their ability to create products, services, and experience that are digitally enhanced. So these major points help building a better future for digital marketing. So with this, we come to the end of this video on digital marketing career. If you have any queries related to any of the topics that has been discussed, feel free to reach out to us and do comment them in the comment section below, and we'll get back to you at the earliest. Thank you for watching this video. Happy learning.